Shalom family. Yes, welcome to the channel, guys. Look, in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a behind the scenes of, some sessions that I've been teaching about this trading, about candlesticks, about, uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, just all of it, right? So the more and more I teach this to people, the more and more I teach this to our people, really, because pretty much everybody that's been, signing up for my one-on-one sessions, which is available. So if you are interested, you can email me. My email will be in the description. The more and more I teach people, the more and more I realize how important this skill is, right? This skill is very, very important because this really gives you the freedom to make your money, make money, and really sustain yourself outside of that environment where we come from, America, or if you're in Europe, wherever you are. But this really gives you the ability to sustain yourself outside of what you're used to. So in this video, I just gave you, a couple clips of a couple that I was, teaching just from the beginning, because, it's a lot of things that people don't know. And I'm glad that people are willing to know this, because it definitely starts when you take that first step. When you take that first step, you already locked in. You're going to keep being interested in it. You're going to be like, man, I need to get this. And eventually you will. It's very simple. It is very, very simple. So, I'm just doing this intro for you guys, but stick around to the end, because this is like a little mini crash course, I should say. Like, this is pretty much everything that you need to know. Of course, there's way more that you need to know, but I just put this together just to try to, pique people's interest, plant that seed. Because even for me, when I first started trading, I wasn't very serious at all. But when I really got serious, that's when you really start to see the gains. That's when you really start to see, okay, this is very possible. So, I know we get a lot of questions of how do you sustain yourself, abroad. I always see people come back to America and, try to work and make their money and then leave again. But this is something that I really believe that you can sustain yourself outside of America. Make your money, make that system work for you outside of America. Your blue passport is way stronger. That US dollar is way stronger outside of America. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stick around to the end. Any questions, just leave it in the comments. You can email me and let me know. Like I say, one-on-one sessions are available, so please let me know. My email will be in the description. And I'll talk to you in the next video, guys. Shalom, shalom. You gotta be, I gotta like sit up straight and stuff. No, I'm playing. I'm playing.
Say
Nah.
that. Like that.
No, that's just me. For real, I just like to be, laid back, organic. You already know. So, all praises to the Most High. But yeah, green candles, red candles. These are the candles that you're probably going to see once you get to the charts. Of course, you can change the colors and stuff, but the most important part is just understanding what an uptrend is, what a downtrend is, and what consolidation is. So just from this green candle, this means that, it's going up. It's going to be in an uptrend. So the more the green candles, that means that it's going to be in an uptrend. And when it's pushing up, that means that the open price is going to be at the bottom of the body of the candle. So this rectangle here is called the body of the candle. So it will open, just say, if it opens at just say $1, right? It opens at $1 and it goes up and closes at, $1.50, right? It closes at the top of the body of the candle. Now these lines here is called wicks. So that means that this is where the highest the price went. So just say if it opened at $1 and it went all the way up to $2, but it didn't stay up there, it came back down and closed at $1.50. And the same thing when it goes down to the lowest price, the lowest point. Just say it opened at $1 and it came down to 50 cents. So that would be the lowest point of this time frame. So each candle does have a time frame, It just depends on what time frame you're on. So when I'm saying time frames, a candle can be 1 minute. It just depends on you, how you're looking at the chart. So once we get to the chart, you will understand what I'm saying. And this is very important, but you really have to understand that the open price, the close price, the highest price, and the lowest price. So each candle can be 1 minute, it could be 5 minutes, it could be 1 hour, it could be one day, it could be 1 week. So you get to choose the option of what time frame you want to look at the candles on. Once the market is in a downtrend and it's going down, so the open price will be up here at the top of the body of the candle. The closing price will be at the bottom of the body of the candle. The most important part is when it comes to the candlesticks here is the open price and the close price. The wicks are going to stay the same, the highest price and the lowest price. So it's going to be up here when it's the highest price for the green candle and the lowest price, it's still going to be the same for the red candle.
Okay.
But just know that the red candle is going down, it's in a downtrend. So you have to understand an uptrend, that means that the market is just in an upward position, is going up. And the market never just goes straight up. That it's
Right.
always gonna go side to side and kind of like be choppy and goes up, or be choppy and go down. Here in the middle, I say consolidation, consolidating. That means that the market is not in an uptrend, the market is not in a downtrend. It's just really in a rectangle, and it's kind of just bouncing in a certain area. It's not going up, it's not going down. It's just consolidating. And like I say, this was I'm telling you, it would make sense. I know a lot of people be like, hold on, what? If you once you see it on a chart, you'll be like, okay, this is way more clear. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. This is how the market moves every time. So this is something that you will need to know. Accumulation is pretty much like consolidation. Manipulation is when price moves are designed to deceive retail traders. So that means like deceive like people like us. You can definitely catch manipulation. So manipulation is a small move. Just say if it was, so for example, manipulation is kind of like a breakout, like a fake breakout. So just say if this was consolidating right here, and then it breaks out, and then you say, oh, I'm gonna put a buy in right here, which you definitely can put a buy in, but it's gonna be a bigger move. So when you get to the chart and you start to really understand it and you see that the market is consolidating, just know in your head, okay, the next move is going to be manipulation. But I just want you guys to understand the market always moves: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So if you see a big move that happened when you go look at the chart, you already see the big move happen. You're like, okay, I know the next move is going to be an accumulation. I know it's probably the market's going to consolidate for a second. And then after that consolidation, I know, or that accumulation, I know it's going to be manipulation. If you get to, once you look at the chart and you say, okay, I see that the market was accumulating and then it went to this manipulation. Oh, I definitely know it's about to distribute. So I wanna look out for this reversal. And I'm telling you, it's going to make sense once you start to look at the chart. I would definitely point out some areas where the price was accumulating and the price was, it manipulated the market, and then it distribute the other way. It distribute as a reversal. Just question, what do we see that's happening right here?
Well, I mean, it's a downward. I mean, what's it called?
Yeah. It's downward.
Downtrend.
Yeah, downtrend.
Yep. We see right here.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
upwards.
Yeah,
Uptrend.
uptrend.
Yep. So that's how like you can definitely see it clearly. And even with this area here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Consolidating.
Yep, exactly. So you can kind of, once you really, that's why I say once we get to the charts, it would kind of make sense. You can see that it was consolidating, and then it kind of manipulated people, and then it did that bigger move down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the market always kind of repeats itself like that. So just always, know that is going to happen. And I just wanted to, point that out just so you guys can, feel good, like I'm a good teacher or something. So yeah. See, so downtrend, uptrend, consolidation, that's pretty much all you kind of need to know when you're looking at the market. And you better than most of the world. Most of the world don't even know that. So all praises.